Posters with greeting messages for the people and the government of Pakistan ahead of the Pakistan Day on Wednesday, March 23rd, have appeared in Srinagar and other areas of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The posters were bearing the pictures of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Muhammad Iqbal, Prime Minister Imran Khan, Army Chief General Qamar Javed Bajwa, and incarcerated All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Masarrat Alam Bhatt. They were inscribed with the slogans like One Nation, One Slogan, and One Goal. IIOJK leaders, including Muhammad Farooq Rahmani, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, and Altaf Hussain Wani, in their statements, hailed the OIC Foreign Ministers' Conference to be held in Islamabad tomorrow. They called upon the Muslim Forum to play its role in preventing India from bringing about a demographic change in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Altaf Hussain Wani, in another statement, has condemned in strong terms the Delhi Court's act of framing charges against Hurriyat leaders under notorious law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. He termed the court ruling as a classical example of Indian judicial prejudice against Kashmiris. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, addressing a party meeting in Jammu, said that Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party in India is pushing the country to another division on religious lines. She added that the existence of Jammu and Kashmir was in danger under the BJP rule, especially after it revoked the Article 370 in August 2019. She, however, maintained that the Hindutva party would not succeed in Kashmir, where it has no takers except a handful of paid agents. Meanwhile, a big protest rally was taken out in Jammu by elected members of Panchayati institutions and leaders of social and political organizations against the draft report of Delimitation Commission. Around 300 people, led by 18 sarpanches and 100 panches, gathered near Aknoor Bridge and blocked the Jammu-Poonch highway. They were shouting slogans against Modi regime for gerrymandering the future election results through the Delimitation Commission. Leading US activists and academics have once again raised concern over the threat of mass killing to Indian Muslims by Hindutva forces during an event titled The Impending Indian Muslim Genocide and Global Islamophobia, held in California. The event was hosted by the San Diego Coalition of Human Rights, which comprises the Indian American Muslim Council, the Council on American Islamic Relations, Jewish Voice for Peace, Pillars of the Community San Diego, Muslim American Society, and the Muslim Leadership Council of San Diego. Meanwhile, 3 Indian paramilitary troops were injured in an attack by Maoist communists in the Indian strife-torn state of Chhattisgarh.